In front of me is Huawei MatePad 11.6 PaperMatte Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app. Following that, select Photos or Albums on the left, and wherever you decided, after locating all of your photos to get rid of, hold one of them. Then click on all of those icons at the top right corners. If you want to keep some of those photos, click on the chosen ones, and to delete the rest, use this bin at the top right corner. Then hit delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!